Homebrew Bundle is the fastest way to set up any Mac. In this guide, you'll build one file that lists your entire machine, then restore it anywhere with one command. Let's get started.
A brew file is a plain text shopping list. Every line is one thing you install. Command line tools, full applications, Mac App Store apps, even VS Code extensions. Tap adds extra repositories. Brew installs tools. Cask installs apps. Maz handles the App Store. And VS Code handles editor extensions. One file.
Your whole machine.
First, a 5-second check. Homebrew should already be installed from episode 10. Type brew -- version. You'll see Homebrew 6.0. That's all you need. That and a brew file, which we'll make right now.
To build the list, open Terminal and type brew bundle dump. Homebrew writes everything you already installed into a file called brewfile. If the file already exists, use -- force to overwrite it.
Open the brew file in any editor. Remove what you no longer use and add what you want on every Mac. Here's the fun part. Restart service true starts a background service like a database. Cask args sets a custom install folder.
And if os.mac ? Installs a package only on macOS.
Now save the brew file where your new Mac can reach it. iCloud Drive, Dropbox, or a GitHub.files repo. Tip: set the bundle file environment variable, and brew bundle will always use your canonical file.
On the new Mac, install Homebrew first. Copy the one-liner from brew.sheesh, paste it into Terminal, enter your password, and wait for the progress bar. When it says installation successful, Homebrew is ready.
Now the moment you've been waiting for. Type brew bundle and press return. Homebrew reads your file and installs everything. Tools, apps, fonts, App Store apps, even background services. In minutes, your entire machine is back.
Verify with brew bundle check. If the brew file's dependencies are satisfied, your new Mac matches your old one exactly.
Optionally, brew bundle cleanup removes anything not in your list, so the machine matches your file perfectly. -- force skips the prompt. -- zap also removes app data.
3 quick fixes. 1. Dump refuses to overwrite. Add -- force. 2. A Cask conflicts with an app you already have. Adopt it instead of forcing it. 3. Check says something is missing. Run check -- verbose to see exactly what.
That's the whole loop. 1. Dump. 2. Edit. 3. Save. 4. Bundle. 5. Check. Your new Mac, restored in minutes. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy brewing.